Yo, theater. Me want go. Me want go. Listen, you can't get.
I tell man, I can give him a chance. I get a youth, you don't know, you know. I get a youth, I can give him a chance.
I beg you now. I beg for Father God give him a chance, because everybody in our life deserve a chance.
Everybody deserve a fair chance. I can try with him again and give him a chance. You don't know his system, you know. Nobody not perfect. I can give you a chance, make him come around.
Everybody in our life deserve a chance. Kartel deserve a chance. All of them are murderer. He deserve a chance.
I think he should be free. He deserves to be free. Long time him in a jail. He spent 3 years before him get sentenced, and a 10 years him do in a jail. So free road boss myself for life.
With a like being free, man, you see me? The youth for their road. Justice never served correctly, you see me? In a long run. Yeah, so in deserve a free trial, a fair and free trial, you see me? But if he reach another position, then can't let him go because he's not done doing time. Reality, yeah man.
He kind of, yeah, because as you know, he allegedly do a crime. Yes, the system kind of corrupt with you, but all the bad things in to factor in. Because what you're going to remember, say you make an appeal, see? You go through all the appeal system to the reach privy. Them still not see it fit for say, boy, you should walk free. Them still see a reason why you forget a trial. So, me saying if you walk free, I say that out of fairness, but only I say that because me a fan or whichever way. But out of fairness, if them feel like they will try him again, yeah, but I just go on, but there's another anti too, because he spent so much time and then have to go through this, and it was a tainted case in itself. Them have to look into it and make a just judgment now, seeing that the whole public has see situation and know what it is like.
He can work free still. Because him do what, 10 to 13 years, and when I look at it, the Jamaican court system, it's not, what am I say now, it's not free, it's not up to date, it's not fair. You understand? And if you can have a trial with a jury and you say a jury get bribed, right? And a jury get bribed, you should have even stop the case from there, so. You understand? So I feel like him do 13 years, when I see the sense and him have a sickness. He's not really a cartel fan or anything like that. You understand? But when I really look on the whole thing, look at the man.